Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Veed and importing your footage. Drag the file in or click Upload to get started immediately. Once in the editor, make sure audio is clean because subtitle accuracy depends on sound quality, so normalize or remove background noise first. Next, select the language for auto subtitles, and if your footage has a pre-existing timeline, set the start timecode. This aligns transcripts properly. These steps reduce correction time later and give the automated tool the best chance to transcribe accurately. Now run auto subtitles and let Veed process the audio. This creates a full transcript in the subtitles panel. You should then edit inline, fix misheard words, add punctuation, and standardize capitalization because readable subtitles are concise and scannable. If multiple speakers exist, add speaker labels for clarity. Once text is accurate, adjust timing, either drag subtitle edges on the timeline or enter millisecond values, so captions match lip movements. This careful middle work ensures viewers follow dialogue without distraction. Finish by styling subtitles. Pick font, size, color, and background box so text remains legible across scenes, and check safe area margins for different platforms. Then choose an export option. Burn in Captions for universal playback or export SRT/VTT for platform-based captions, and select resolution and codec that match your delivery requirements. If accuracy problems continue, rerun transcription after cleaning audio, or import a corrected SRT to replace the auto-generated text. This is the fastest way to resolve stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.